This first feature that we're looking at is called an esker, and it's a long, sinuous shaped landform that was left behind by glaciers. If you take a closer look, you'll see that in some areas glaciers are often excavated for sand and gravel, and you'll see why in a minute. So the next video clip is taken right here, and the video goes from this way, pans over to the road. Now from the ground, the esker is often hard to see, but basically you can see along here that that's where that long sinuous feature is, and it's often covered with trees because it's no good for farming on, so a lot of the farmland ends abruptly up to those landforms. So you can easily see the feature here in this part of the video. Now often as you drive by you wouldn't notice these features, but hopefully by being educated about them you'll be able to see them as you drive along through the landscape of southern Ontario. You can see in this area that they've excavated the sand and gravel from the esker. So the question is, how does an esker form? Well, this is a really unique picture of what used to be a flowing creek through a glacier, and that flowing creek was carrying along with it sand and gravel, and now that that water is gone, the sand and gravel lies all at the bottom of this cavity or tunnel through the glacier. And once the glacier melts, you're left with a long sinuous feature of sand and gravel that follows the path of where that interglacial creek once flowed. So taking another look at this glacial landform diagram, you can see the esker. And they're normally small features, but they can run for many kilometers. In fact, in some places in northern Ontario, they've built roads directly on top of them because it's an inexpensive way to form a base of the highway. So if I zoom in here, we can take a closer look at this esker. And in fact, in this diagram, you see this triangular shape. That's actually a outwash delta. But I'm not going to get into how that feature's formed in this particular slideshow.